reverse is equal to true. So it is sort is a method must having open brace and close brace. Okay, now if you request for print statement in bracket fruits, so then what happen? Reverse is equal to true. So here that alphabetical order ascending, you will get a descending order. You mention here to get descending order. So this is what descending order. This is ascending order list. This is descending order. Descending order means at the topmost, okay, watermelon, then papaya, finally banana. Descending order. This list is ascending order. So we can, to get descending order, simply use the sort method. Okay, so I told you that sort method, these all are sort. Some methods I told you that pop method, append method, extend method, they are all the methods of what we are calling the methods with the list. List is what? It is a class. Okay, class methods. Now as I told you that how to sort the list alphabetical order. We have done alphabetical order, ascending and descending order. What about the numerical order? How to do that numerical order? Suppose a list is there, any list we have written here, which is numerical values it is having. This is what, wherever the all are mixed values, no? So we need to create a list with the numerical values. So create a list. So list, take a variable num is equal, num is a list. Okay, now here list, you write that mixed values, all are integer, it is an integer list. Okay, next 35, somewhat 78, somewhat 6. So this is the list. Now if you want to sort this list numerical order, ascending order, simply you write num dot. I told you that. So we want to sort method. These are all method. Extend method we have used here. Okay, clear method to clear the list, but list will be retained, but values will be cleared. Okay, extend method to add a list with another list. Okay, so here use the sort method. Okay, within bracket you num dot sort. Num is a list, sort. Okay, by default ascending order will be taken. Ascending means from small letter, small number 6, 10, 51, 78. This will be the result. Okay, because you are not getting the printout, so you need to request for a printout statement. Print bracket num. Okay, num is a variable which is holding these integer values. Now whenever you request for now numerical ascending order from starting number, small number to 10, 51, 78. If you keep one more value, 1000 value, so the 1000 value will be, you need to keep this 1000 value at the starting point. So that 1000 value will be put at the end of the list. This is called ascending order. So if you want to keep this num dot descending order, so in bracket you need to keep reverse is equal to true. Okay, now reverse is equal to true. Now like print num. Now whenever you request for print, now you can see that this is called a reverse. descending order from max number to small number. This is called a descending order. So I will comment here, this is the list, this is the integer list. Comment here int list, integer list. Next here numerical ascending order, numerical ascending order. This is for numerical descending order. You comment here numerical descending order. Okay. So one more feature of list is equal case sensitive sort. Case sensitive sort method. Sort method means I told you that, okay, no need to write method brackets, a method or function. Okay, case sensitive sort means by default sort method case sensitive. By default sort method is case sensitive by default. Okay, what do you mean of that? Sensitive, what do you mean of that? So it sorts the capital letter words. It sorts capital letter values or words. Okay, so let us see what is our fruit dot sort bracket. So then fruit are fruits. So next try to get print bracket, that is what fruits. So now if you run this command, what happened? Try to see. Here all are small letters, there is no any capital letters. As per our statement, it sorts capital letter words first, capital letters first, and then small letters, and then small letters. Okay, now here all are capital letters, small letters, so you change this list as somewhat papaya. Banana, you keep it as capital banana, and watermelon as two. We have changed two values with the capital letter, so these values will be put front. Okay, now you run this code. So what happened? This capital banana and capital watermelon kept at the starting, after that lowercase values. So that is called case sensitive sort method. So nothing we have done here. By default it is what? Case sensitive sort method. By default it will done. If you keep all the values with the small case letter, there is no any issue. If any capital letter values are there, they will be kept as first. That is called case sensitive method. Now we can use for case insensitive. Case insensitive means, so for that you use fruits dot sort in bracket key. As a key function is equal, we can use that function, that is what str, fruits dot lower function, lower function. Okay, so that can be used as a key function. So here what we have used here, if you want to get the print statement of list values as it is without any case sensitive,